In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Outlook. By the end, you'll have a clean CSV file of your contacts saved to your computer, ready to back up or import into another app. Start by opening Outlook from your desktop. This can be the Outlook app or the new Outlook experience, and the interface may look slightly different depending on your version. If you're on Windows or Mac, use your usual Outlook icon. If you typically use Outlook in a browser, the steps are essentially the same once you're in the People area, so don't worry if your layout varies a bit. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log in with your Microsoft account. You may be asked for multi-factor authentication. Just approve it as you normally would. Make sure you're signed in to the account that actually holds the contacts you want to export. Next, switch to the People view. Look at the left side panel and select the People icon, which looks like two silhouettes. If you don't see it, you may need to expand the navigation pane or click the More Apps option to reveal it. This view shows your contact lists and any folders you've created. Along the top toolbar, locate Manage Contacts, then choose Export Contacts. Depending on your layout, Manage Contacts might appear as a drop-down or under a More menu with 3 dots. When you select Export Contacts, Outlook may prompt you to pick which contacts to include, such as all contacts or a specific folder. Choose the set that matches what you need. This is useful if you keep personal and work contacts in separate lists and only want one of them. When you're ready, click Export. Outlook will generate a CSV file and save it to your computer's Downloads folder by default. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a simple spreadsheet format that works with Excel, Google Sheets, and most contact managers. If your browser asks where to save, pick a location you'll remember. On some systems, you might see a brief download notification. Wait for it to finish before moving on. After the download completes, open the file to spot check a few entries. You should see names, email addresses, phone numbers, and other fields laid out in columns. Avoid editing or deleting the column headers, as they help other apps map fields correctly when you import later. Consider renaming the file with today's date and moving it to a secure folder or cloud location as a backup. And since contact lists can contain sensitive details, be careful about where you store and share the file. That's all there is to it. You've successfully exported your Outlook contacts and created a portable backup you can use anywhere.